How to read messages on Kik without the person knowing, 2022. Hello everyone, welcome to the Tracking Your Phone YouTube channel. Here we review the latest mobile phone tracking software, discuss the best parental control tools, and find the best geofencing solutions, discuss the social media spying methods, and fight cyberbullying together. In this video, we will introduce how to read a message on Kik without the person knowing. If your loved ones are not willing to show you their Kik messages, you need a solution to track those Kik messages. So watch the video until the end because in this video we will discuss how to read a message on Kik without the person knowing in 2022. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon. So, what is Kik? Kik is an instant messenger popular among teens. The cross-platform app is used to exchange pics, videos, and gifs with friends. Kik users can also play games, meet new friends with similar interests, and more. Kik is well loved by teens and adults alike. On Google Play, Kik has a 4.0 rating from nearly 2.5 million user reviews. The rating hovers above 4 on the App Store, too. The favorable rating has a lot to do with the perceived privacy that Kik offers. Unlike other apps that require a phone number to get started, Kik lets you sign up with nothing more than your email address. And since everyone can create a random email address using Google, Yahoo, or other free services, teens love it. Once you're set up with a Kik ID, you can start exchanging messages, photos, videos, emojis, and all kinds of content. Why you have to track on Kik Activities. Kik is anonymous but insecure. Kids and teens enjoy Kik Friend Finder not only because of its features, but also due to its anonymity and easy sign-up process. They can register by entering their first name, last name, email address, birth date, and username. Although Kik Interactive claims to use common age verification standards, they don't link user accounts to their phone numbers. In fact, a kid aged 12 can enter false credentials to use Kik, while a 40-year-old predator can pretend to be a teenager. And what's more, the Electronic Frontier Foundation granted Kik 1 out of 7 points in a secure messaging scorecard in 2014. The app received a point for its encryption during transit, but failed in providing other security features. For instance, it doesn't encrypt communications with a key to which the provider does not have access. Its past messages are unsecured if the encryption keys are stolen, and its code is closed to independent review. How to read a message on Kik without that person knowing. In this video, you'll find out how to track on Kik chats when time is of the essence. Check out 2 best methods to track Kik apps remotely. Method 1 is to monitor Kik activity with mSpy. As Kik doesn't offer any effective parental control features, putting thousands of children under threat, you need to think about your kids' safety online. As an option, you can monitor your child's activity on Kik remotely with a parental control app like mSpy. If you suspect your kid is in trouble because of communicating with online predators, mSpy can help you view your child's incoming and outgoing messages on Kik right from your smartphone. Monitor the date and time of each sent and received message. Use Kik Location Tracker. Check out photos and videos shared via Kik. See contacts on Kik. To monitor their Kik chat with the mSpy app, you need to follow these steps. Go to mSpy.com and sign up. Select a subscription and make a payment. Open your inbox and find a welcome letter. Log into your mSpy account using the credentials provided in that letter. Follow the installation instructions to install mSpy on the device you want to monitor. Start monitoring their online activity and see someone's private messages on Kik right away. Note that mSpy is not just a Kik tracker. It's a feature-rich monitoring tool that helps people know what their loved ones are up to online. Method 2. Use Keylogging Software to monitor Kik messages. Many parents look for a keylogger on the web, and for a good reason. Keylogging software make it possible to access their social media accounts effortlessly. When installed on a target device, the keylogger starts recording everything a user types on their phone or PC. This data is then sent to a keylogger holder. So if they type in their Kik username and password, you'll receive this data. With that info, you'll be able to log into their account and read their messages. mSpy app is compatible with most iOS and Android devices. However, if you want to use its Kik monitoring feature, you need to purchase a premium subscription. After activating mSpy, you can track other messengers and social media apps, such as Tinder, Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, etc. View visited web pages, read SMS, and track GPS locations. mSpy also makes it possible to record keyboard strokes on your kid's device, get notifications about using restricted words, and use Keylogger to match passwords. It's pretty simple to operate mSpy's control panel. You only need to log into your account, add a monitored device, and check what your kid is doing online. If you find out that a particular contact or app poses a danger to your child, you can block that person or that app. And don't forget to set geofences if you want mSpy to notify you when your kid enters or leaves a restricted location. I hope that after reading our solution on how to read messages on Kik without a person knowing, you'll know more about how to protect your loved ones. Thumbs up if you like this video, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips on phone tracking solutions. Hope to see you in our next video, and until then, bye!